my favorite memory of us, one that I've relived a million times over the last 4 months, is this summer night that we had before you went off to college. You wanted to show me this meteor shower, so we drove out in the middle of nowhere, and the moment those shooting stars started to fall, rain, lots of rain. You were so sure it'd clear, and it was just easier to believe you. I took your hand. Never be the right time, will it? Spring. Come on, time to abandon ship.
No, wait. Just give it a second. It'll clear up. Promise me this is forever.
I promise.
And I wanna kiss you, make you feel alright. I'm just so tired to share my nights. I wanna cry and I wanna love, but all my tears when you stop. On another love, all my tears been used up. On another love, all my tears have been used up. On another love, all my tears have been used up.